How can I eliminate judgment?
Eliminating judgment is very simple. When you look at judgment, even starting to question judgment, because judgment is such a funny one. What happens is this beautiful hammer starts to come down on you, whack. Before you have any facts, it's a wham, wham, wham. There's no truth within any of it. So if you could look at any judgment anywhere, and you just question it for 1 second, just one, less than a second, which is mental levels. Is it true? Prove it. Only thing we're asking for, I am more than willing to judge anything, anyone, period, if you can prove that it's accurate. So, if you have the whole truth for your mental level, the whole truth across the board, without any assumptions, period, then we'll negotiate this. So, I'm going to make a call. They're not going to be available. All right, they're not available. Not a big deal. Until the mental level says it's because I woulda, coulda, shoulda, shouldn't have, oughta, must have. Am I becoming dependent? Am I becoming yada, yada, yada? Do I need? Do I not need? Are they my friend? Are they not my friend? Do I matter? Do I not matter? And we'll stop it right there for a second. One thing very simple, one thing very, very clear. It's all right. I'm willing to go there if you can prove it. Prove to me that everything you're trying to get me to buy into is accurate. And what you'll find, where judgment is running and running, there's nothing to back it up. It's all based on assumptions. So I must be because, but there's still nothing to back it up. There's still nothing at all to solidify it. You take anger, for example. Anger is not an emotion, it's a total conglomerate of emotion. You have guilt, you have frustration, you have overwhelm, you have angst, you have irritability, rigidity, and all this fun stuff that makes up one little ball of anger. All of those are judgments. Since judgments that build up create a beautiful combustible state right here. These will all be the thought forms, perceptual judgments, irritability, angst, and all that. Then we get all this beautiful energy underneath. Building up, building up, and 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 building up, till we're going to call that anger. Well, it's still just building up. But you see, there's still nothing at all, period, to really, truly solidify the irritability. Now we can look at it, process it, look at it, and reprocess it, sideways, upside down, bottom up, and all this fun stuff. The only thing you're going to find is a lot of assumption and a lack of information. It was assumed. That's all you're going to find. A lot of assumptions that just have a lot of lack of information and misinterpretation. That's it. You do not have a validified state of a fact. If someone just came out to you and said, you know what, I just really don't want to talk to you because. That's pretty darn simple, right? You can at least solidify that. But even the because, how even accurate is that? Except, once again, misinterpretation of data and information, misinterpretation of behavioral mannerisms, so a lot of assumptions again, still not based in the truth. It's based in all this of a lot of filters, but not accuracy. It's not accurate whatsoever. There's no truth to it. It's a lot of filters, a lot of assumptions, a lot of misinterpretations, but still not the truth. Now we look at the other part of questioning judgment. You stop right there. And mental level, why are you being threatened? Why do you perceive that you're totally, completely being threatened by the behaviors of another? Mental level, why is it you're wanting to be in charge? Why is it that your world is collapsing? Why is it, mental level, that you are becoming disempowered? Why are you losing your power? What power are you trying to have, mental level? Because let's not forget, the only one having the issue is the head. And all of this is happening in the head. But it's losing its grip. Because you're rising, playing with the truth of who you are anyways.